Hey everyone, so update on Bitcoin and when I'm jumping in. So I've been watching Bitcoin like an absolute hawk, and as you can see here, I mean we're on the 4-hour chart here. I said it would hit down to this level here, and the market has done that pretty much exactly, well, a lot shorter time frame than I thought, which is nice and hunky-dory. Excuse the background music. I'm in a random French pub, bar, place. This isn't ideal, but timing is essential here. I've got my VPN on, so hopefully all is well. But yeah, so looking at when to get back in. So here, you can see that the market, I mean, this trend line here indicates that we should see it smashing into the sort of the 9,000 level. Now, although my eyes are on the 8,000 level, which I've mentioned before, because this is a pretty interesting level of support. One thing I've found through bitter experience in the past is that when I've tried to call the absolute lows or call the absolute highs in Bitcoin, it's always burned me. So what you'll see, like, if you go back in time, every time we have a bit of a crash, we nearly always see a 50% pullback. The market bounces back with a V reversal, and this here is a V reversal, and they're very hard to time because they hit a level and then they bugger off and they don't come back. Here again, V reversal. There's throughout all of Bitcoin's history or life, there are always V reversals. Now sometimes you're lucky enough to get another retest of the same level, but what I've learned is that you shouldn't be too greedy. Don't try and get the bottom. As I say now and again, that it's not good. You shouldn't be a bottom picker in life or in trading. And so most of Bitcoin's fall, I think, has happened now. We've had at least we've had more than a 50% retrace. And although I think it may spike down a bit more, I don't want to take the risk. What I don't want to happen is just to have a V reversal and then bang, it shoots back up here, and then I've missed out on the move. So I'm actually in euros at the moment. So let's have a look at Bitcoin Euro. So similar type thing here. You can see I've done exactly the same sort of trend line. We've just hit this level here. Now technically, if we close below this, so if it stays below this, I mean, we should see maybe a pullback back to this level here before going back down. However, we have a pretty strong level of support around here, which is anywhere between 7,000 to 600 in terms of euros. However, I'm going to be conservative. I'm going to be putting an entry buy order. So it's like a booby trap. So when it gets down to this level, my order automatically fills. And I'll put it at about 7. Oh no, there's a little bit. I'll be putting it 7060, just in front of it. Because there's a tiny level of support and resistance around here. So 7060. Now,